Just imagine how you would feel
if you would be the one they're picking on.
Would you
be the one that's gonna stand up strong?
honestly?
Would you let it slide, break down and cry, yo?
Would you
Never let nobody step on you right. What if it was your brother, sister, mother, father, child, and would it still be cool?
Why can't you see your thoughts are hurting?
Everybody deserves to be themselves, and no one else will think before you move.
What about if that was you? That would be the victim of all the criticism, and they treated you like cruel. What about if that was you? That would be a bullet. How would you feel if they were doing it to you? What about if that was you? How would you feel? Honestly, how would you feel if they were doing it to you? How you would feel?
If everybody always laughed at you,
Would you
think it's okay in me and you?
me?
The people around you are holding you down now,
Would you
like if they did that to you. What if it was your brother, sister, mother, father, child, and would it still be cool?
Why can't you see your thoughts are hurting?